Welcome to the assembly manual for the LANA TV bench. In step 1, position part 9, secure accessories A, and then position part 8 in the indicated location and secure with accessories D. In step 2, position part 5 and fit the accessories A. Now position the pieces 4, fit the accessories A, and secure the 2 pieces with the accessories D. In step 3, fix the F accessories in the indicated locations. Fix the pieces 4 in the indicated location and tighten them with the E accessories. Fit the accessories A, and then attach the F accessories to part 1. Fix the accessories N in the indicated locations. Attach accessory A in the indicated locations. In step 5, position part 2 and attach the F accessories. Then attach the E accessories in the indicated locations. Position piece 3 in secure accessories F and A. And finally, secure accessories E. In step 6, attach accessory B and position part 6 and 7. Securing them with accessory C. In step 7, fix the P and G accessories in indicated locations. In step 8, position part 9 and secure accessories H and I in the indicated locations. Position part 12 and secure accessories J and M in the indicated locations. In step 9, fix the K accessories. Position part 9 and secure accessories F. Fix with the accessories I. Fix all accessories E. Finally, fix the J accessories.